Welding with extraction torches is a hot topic right now. The welding fumes are extracted directly at the point of origin and thus cannot enter the ambient air. With the VacuFil Compact, we offer you a space-saving extraction unit for professional welding at an attractive price. It is compatible with all common extraction torches and comparatively very quiet. Welders can easily adjust the required extraction capacities tablessly by means of a one-button operation, even when wearing protective gloves. The VacuFil Compact is available in different voltages, both with an approximately 7 square meter storage filter and with cleanable filter. The welding dust collected is simply removed via the dust collection drawer. Depending to the equipment, an extraction capacity of up to 190 cubic meters per hour is possible. Because the cartridge is mounted vertically, filter cleaning is particularly effective. The unit is easy to maintain and changing the filter is very simple and quick. The side channel blower ensures a permanent high vacuum and extraction level. In order to keep the values constantly on a personal selected level, we offer an optional automatic extraction capacity regulation. The real airflow is permanently monitored and kept constantly on the same level, even with increasing filter saturation. This way, the welding result remains optimal. You can also conveniently charge your smartphone as the VacuFil Compact has a USB Type-A charging socket. Other accessories such an automatic start-stop, a tool tray with cup holder and various connection possibilities for extraction hoses as well as slit and funnel nozzles round off the unit.